Prime numbers in Holy Quran and nature. Definition: a prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that is not a product of two smaller natural numbers. For example, 5 is prime. The only ways of writing it is a product. 1 times 5 or 5 times 1. History: prime numbers were first studied by the ancient Greek mathematicians. The mathematicians of Pythagoras' school were interested in numbers for their mystical and numerological properties. Uses: prime numbers are extensively used in cryptography and network security. One of the public key encryption algorithm called RSA actually relies on the factorization of product of large primes. Facts: the largest prime number known till now is 2 to the power of 82,589,933-1, and it has 24,862,048 digits. 0 and 1 are not considered prime numbers. 2 is the only even prime number. There is an organization, the Great Internet Mersenne Prime Number Search, was founded in 1996 by George Woltman, dedicated to finding the largest prime numbers. There are 25 primes in 100. There are 168 primes in 1000. There are 1229 primes in 10,000. The primes are the atoms of the arithmetic. But despite their fundamental character, they also represent one of the greatest enigmas in mathematics. Because as you count through the universe of numbers, it is almost impossible to spot a pattern that will help you to predict where the next prime will be found. We know primes go on forever, but finding a pattern in the primes is one of the biggest mysteries in mathematics. $1 million prize has been offered to anyone who can reveal the secret of these numbers. Prime number theorem. Formula that gives an approximate value for the number of primes less than or equal to any given positive real number x. The usual notation for this number is pi, x. The prime number theorem states that for large values of x, pi, x, is approximately equal to x/log x. Euclid numbers. Integers of the form n equals pn hash plus 1. Where Pn hash is the nth primorial, i.e. the product of the first n prime numbers. First few Euclid numbers are 3, 7, 31. Mersenne primes. In mathematics, a Mersenne prime is a prime number that is 1 less than a power of 2. That is, it's a prime number of the form mn equals 2 to the power of n minus 1 for some integer n. If m divides n, then 2 to the power of m minus 1 divides 2 to the power of n minus 1, so a Mersenne prime has a prime exponent. First few Mersenne primes are 3, 7, 31, 127. Happy primes. A happy number is a number which eventually reaches 1 when replaced by the sum of the square of each digit. For instance, 31 is a happy prime number as shown below. Prime numbers in Holy Quran. There are 30 prime numbers in 114 chapter numbers. There are 32 prime numbers in verse numbers of 114 chapters. Here 114 chapters are divided into 6 groups of 19 chapters each. 114 equals 19 times 6. Orange-colored are chapter number primes. Green-colored are verse number primes. There are 30 chapters having prime numbers as chapter numbers, in total 114 chapters. Out of 30 we have exactly 7 prime number chapters whose verse numbers are also prime numbers. And their sums 577 and 163 are also primes. Double layer prime number pattern. Listed 32 prime numbered verses out of 114 chapters. Listed the prime numbers of the prime numbers from previous column. The sum of the third column is 1076. The sum of the fourth column is 5160. Sum of the above two numbers is 1076 plus 5160 equals 6236, which is nothing but the total number verses of Holy Quran. The sum of the 32 chapter numbers is 2239, which is a prime number. The same can be visualized in the image. This is an amazing pattern that we can say that Al-Quran is protected from corruption. Why 19? It's a prime number. It encompasses the first numeral, 1, and the last numeral, 9, and thus proclaims God's attribute, and 57-3 is the Alpha and the Omega. He is the first and the last, the ascendant and the intimate, and he is, of all things, knowing. Holy Quran chapter 57 verse 3. Amazing 57/3 equals 19. Holy Quran chapter 112 has 15 words and 47 letters. Amazingly 15th prime number is 47. First 15 prime numbers are as shown below. Holy Quran total verses. Total verse numbers in Quran are 6,236. We have 811 prime numbers under 6,236. 811 itself is a prime number. 811th prime number is 6,229. If we subtract 6,229 from total verses 6,236 we get 7, which is also a prime number. Holy Quran first chapter. Quran's first chapter has 7 verses, 29 words and 139 letters, Arabic count. All are primes with prime digit sums. Left to right concatenation, 729,139, and right to left concatenation, 139,297, are also primes with a prime digit sum 31. We get Ramanujan number 1729 by concatenating. Chapter number 1, total verse numbers 7 and total words 29. Sum of digits 19 is a prime number. Holy Quran 114 total chapters. There are 114 chapters in Holy Quran. There are 83 composite numbers below 114. There are 30 prime numbers below 114. Neither prime nor composite number is 1. So total 83 plus 30 plus 1 equals 114. 83 is a prime number. 83 plus 30 equals 113 is a prime number. 83 to 30 equals 53 is a prime number. Concatenate 30 and 83 equals 3083 is a prime number. 30 to 1 equals 29 is a prime number, 30 plus 1 equals 31 is a prime number. If we subtract the sum of the prime numbers below 114 from some of the 114 numbers we get 4967, which is a prime number. Holy Quran has 114 chapters. 114th prime number is 619 and 114 equals 6 by 19. 619th prime number is 4567. The possible numbers we get with these 4 digits 4, 5, 6, 7 are 24 numbers as shown in the picture in ascending order. If you observe 19th number, it is 7456. Quran 74th chapter has 56 verses. And it is the only chapter in which 19 is mentioned. Chapter 74 verse 30 talks about 19 angels and 30th is the 19th composite number. There are 19 angels over it who are its wardens. Holy Quran chapter 55, Ar-Rahman. There is a verse then, which of the favors of your Lord will you humans and jinn both deny? Repeated 31 times, which is a prime number. Those 31 numbers are listed with their corresponding prime numbers are. Sum of both the series are 1433 and 6547, which are prime numbers. Holy Quran chapter 76 The Man, Al-Insan. The first letter, Alif, of Al-Insan in first and second verses is at 9th position and last letter, Nun, is at 14th position. Now see the human chromosomes pairs 23 and numbers 46 related to prime numbers. There are 9 prime numbers under 23 and 14 prime numbers under 46. 76 to 1. Is there not a period of time when each human is nothing yet worth mentioning? 76:2 For indeed, we alone created humans from a drop of mixed fluids, in order to test them, so we made them hear and see. Holy Quran chapter 103 The time, the epoch. This chapter has 3 verses, 14 words of which 13 are unique, 73 letters in total. Are the total words giving the hint that the age of the universe lies between 13 and 14 billion years? First verse has 1 word. Second verse has 4 words. Third verse has 9 words of which 8 are unique. Few prime number facts. Here 103, 3, 13 and 73 are all prime numbers. 103rd prime number is 563 whose sum of digits is 14. 563rd prime number 4091 whose sum of digits is 14. Here the digits correspond to the word count of each verse. If we concatenate word counts 149, its 35th prime number. If we reverse at 941 that also 160th prime number 6, if we concatenate chapter number with verse number 1031 is another prime 173rd, 1033 is another prime 174th. Go further deep. 10,313, 10,331, 103,123 are also prime numbers. Holy Quran Rukus in chapters multiple of 19. Take the chapter numbers in multiples of 19. 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114. If we count the rukus, for understanding ruku is like a paragraph, in all these chapters we get 19 rukus in total, which is a prime number. Holy Quran 19 chapters, single-digit verses. There are 19 chapters, surahs, in Holy Quran with single-digit number of verses. Holy Quran, metals. The metals mentioned in Holy Quran are iron, copper, silver, and gold. Except iron, 26 rest of the three elements are all prime-numbered elements, 29, 47, 79, and belong to same 11th group, which is also a prime number. If we add all these four numbers, including iron, 26 plus 29 plus 47 plus 79, we get 181, which is also a prime number. In addition, brass also mentioned, which is an alloy of copper and zinc, 30. Now add this 30 to 181 equals 211, which is also a prime number. Holy Quran, chapter Al-Hasr 59 verse 23. This verse mentions the most number of God's names 8 times out of total 99 names. He is Allah, other than whom there is no deity, the sovereign, the pure, the perfection, the grantor of security, the overseer, the exalted in might, the compeller, the superior. Exalted is Allah above whatever they associate with him. Few prime number facts are given below. 59 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. This verse has 19 words in Arabic. 19 is another prime number. 8th prime number is 19. Concatenate 59, 23, we get 5,923, a prime number. Sum of the digits is 19, a prime number. Add 8 to 23, we get 31, a prime number. Add 8 to 59, we get 67, another prime number. Concatenate 8 with 23, we get 823, a prime number. Concatenate 8 with 59, we get 859, a prime number. Add 59, 23 and 19, we get 101, another prime number. Add 58, 23, 19 and 8, we get 109, another prime number. Holy Quran, chapter Al-Imran 3 verse 59. Indeed, the example of Jesus in the sight of Allah is like that of Adam. He created him from dust, then said to him, "Be." And he was. This verse has 15 words, 47 letters. Here we have prime numbers 3, 59, 47 and 359, concatenate 3, 59. Reverse 359, we get prime number 953. Do reverse concatenate 59, 3, we get 593, yet another prime number. Sum of the digits 17, another prime number. Concatenate chapter number 3, verse no 59, number of words 15 and number of letters 47, we get 7-digit number 3,591,547, a prime number. Prime numbers in Islam. 5 pillars of Islam. 5 times daily prayers. 17 cycles, rakat, of daily mandatory prayers, salat. 2 festivals, Ramadan and Eid al-Adha. Most of the ablution rituals are done 3 times each. 7 times circling the Kaaba during Hajj. 7 rounds of running between Safa and Marwa during Hajj pilgrimage. 7 pebbles throwing at one of the 3 pillars during Hajj pilgrimage. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "He who recites after every prayer, 'Glory be to God' 33 times, 'Praise be to God' 33 times, 'God is great' 33 times, and completes the 100 with, 'There is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is only one. There is no partners for him. For him is the kingdom. And for him is the praise. He gives life and causes death. And he is alive. He will not die, never, ever. Possessor of majesty and reverence. In his hand is the goodness. And he is the goodness. And he is, on everything powerful. Will have all his sins pardoned even if they may be as large as the foam on the surface of the sea. Now concatenate the four numbers 33, 33, 33 and 1, we get 3,333,331, which is a prime number and it has 7 digits, another prime number, and sum of digits 19, which is another prime number. Prime numbers in nature. The cicadas appear periodically but only emerge after a prime number years, 7, 13 or 17. You find it in the structure of a beehive, in the scales of a pineapple, or even the petals of a rose. 7 colors of Vibgyor. 7 shells of an atom. 7 days of a week. 7 continents of the earth. 19 years of metonic cycle. Chemistry. For some strange reason radioactive elements 43, technetium, and 61, promethium, do not exist naturally. Both are prime numbers. Their difference 19, including 43, 61, is also a prime number. Concatenate technetium's atomic number 43 and atomic weight 97, we get 4,397, a prime number. Promethium's atomic weight 145 and atomic number 61, we get 14,561, a prime number. Prime number in days of months. When we check the prime number months we got these below findings. Prime numbered months are 5, which is also a prime number. 31 is repeated 7 times out of 12 months. Both are prime numbers. 151, sum of prime numbered month days, is a prime number. 151 plus 28 equals 179 is also a prime number. The same can be visualized in the image. Holy Quran chapter 41, Fusilat, verse 53. We will show them our signs in the universe and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this Quran is the truth. Is it not enough that your Lord is a witness over all things? Thank you for your valuable time for watching.